to the second video on what nomenclature of what of the organic compound. You are looking at one revision question in nomenclature of what organic compound, and our key focus here is going to be Jamb chemistry. So you're going to stick to the end of this video here. Here are this question here. What is the nomenclature of this guy here? So now the first thing you want to look at is that is the what double bond here. There's a double bond here, right? So the carbon atom that carry the double bond is what carbon 1. Do you see that? The carbon atom that carry the double bond is carbon 1. So yeah, we start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the parent chain carry what 5 carbon atom. Do you get that? So can that be like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you get that? So if I should take from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. So understand that the carbon atom carry double bond must be what? Carbon what? 1. Right? Here now become what? A substituent. I know what this substituent is called what? A methyl. A methyl functional group. So how do we name so here? Therefore, let's name the parent chain. 5 carbon atom means what? Pent. 5 carbon atom means what? Pent. Now, when I see any 5 carbon atom means what? Pent. Now, then here we have what? Hydrogen here. Then, what is the position of what of the double bond here? Now, when we start from here, the double bond is carbon what? 1. What? 1. Right? Then, this double bond means what is an alkene. Is what is an alkene. E-N-E. So what? E-N-E. So the parent chain is what? Pent 1 in. Pent 1 in. Now, then when you look at carbon 4 is having what? A substituent. A what? A substituent called what? Methyl. Methyl is where account of what? 4. So it will be 4 methyl. Do you see that? 4 what? Methyl. So I want to combine them together now. Remember, number and alphabet are always what? Separated by what? Hyphen. Also separated by what? Hyphen here. So you must separate number and what? Alphabet. Do that. So how do you now name the complete how do you now give the complete name? The constituent, the parent will come last. So it will be 4 methyl. 4 what? Methyl. Then pent 1 what? In. So why is what is the correct option? Correct option is what? Is this guy here. Let's run that one. So let's look at what this question here. We are being given this and can say what is the correct impact what name? I want to declare one here to this point here. So here I have CH3. CH2, CH3, CH3. So what is the name of this step here? Now the first step you want to do is what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain that contains the double bond. Now look at the double bond here, the functional group here, right? If I step from here to here, how many carbon atoms do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Right there, 5. Now, some persons when they take from here to here, they will stop. They say that the parent chain is what? Pentene. Right there, pentene. But no. After take from here to here, now let's take from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. We also have what? A chain that contains 6 carbon atoms. The good state that the chain that contains the highest number of carbon atoms is going to be what? The parent chain. Do you get that? So my parent chain, because it's 6, is going to be what? Because it's going to be what? Eggs. There's a what? There's a double bond there. Right? So I want to leave a space here and put what? I put in. Now this space I'm leaving here is to what? Tell me what the what position of what? Of the double bond here. Do you get that? So now let's remove one here. So when I take from here to here, I have 2 substituents. Remember, when I take from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I did not count this one among the chain. I did not count this one among the chain. Here's what is a meter. Here's what is a meter. Do you get that? So after you have taken what the longest of this carbon chain and identified the numbers of what substrate present in the what in the hydrocarbon, the next you want to do here is that you want to ensure that these double bonds have the lowest possible number, either from the left or from the right. Are you there? So remember, this is the carbon atom kind of what the double bond when I start from here. 1, 2, 3. Now, so this carbon atom is what is at position 3. The double is at what position what 3, right? So next you want to do here, you want to take from this side 1, 2, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3. So either you want to start from here or here, you have what the same number of what carbon to carry what the double bond here. Do you understand? So the next step is that now the double bond here must have the lowest possible number. So if you start from here 1, 2, 3, carbon 3 is carried the double bond, right? 1, 2, 3, carbon 3 is carried what double bond. Do you get? So either start from either side, give it the same numbers of what carbon atom that what carry what the double bond or the position of what of the double bond. Hope you understand. So then the double bond now is not the issue. Now the next thing you want to look at is what the position of what the two substrates. Right. You want to what number is showing that when you sum the position of these two substrates, you must have what the lowest possible what number. You must have what lowest possible number. Good. So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? When you look at it very well, carbon 3 and carbon 5 is kind of what a methyl, right? So you sum them together. So it's going to be 3 plus 5 is going to give me what? 8. This is that. So when I started what my number from here to this point, it gave me what? 8. What about if I start from here? What about if I start from here? Let me please start. Let me start from here. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have carbon 2 and carbon 4 carry what the two substrates. So it's going to be 2 plus 4, which is going to give what? 6. Right there. Now, because 6 is the lowest compared to this other one here, the right number will be from this side here, not this side. Now remember, when I start from here, if you go back, when I start from here, it gave me what? 8. But when I start from here, it gave me what? 6. When I sum their position. So this one is the right one, so it's the wrong one. So I can write some out here. It means that this was my right numbering. Do you get this was my right number? So therefore, let's take what the parent's name now. So how many carbon atoms does it have? 6. 6 means what? Eggs. Eggs, right? Now the position of the double bond is what? Carbon what? 3. But when I start from here, what is the position of the what? The carbon atom is what? Is 3. So it's going to be what? 3. Can you see that? Then remember, when it have a double bond, is what is in. Idea is what in because it's called what? Alkene. When I say a double bond, it's called what? Alkene. So you put the word in E. So the parent is called what? 3 eggs, 3 in. Do that. It means that the hydrocarbon have what? 6 what? 6 carbon atom. They have what? A double bond. A double bond is our carbon what? 3. Do you understand? Now, here I have two substrates. Right there. So going to be 2, 4 dimeter. Now the reason why it's like that is that we have two the same substrate, meter and what meter. Right there, meter and meter, right? One is our carbon 2, one is our carbon what 4. This is that. So in the sense that you must bring it together. So it's going to be 2, 4. You separate number and number with what? Comma, right there. Then number and what? Alphabet by what hyphen here. This die I see here is a prefix that represent two same substrates. So that's why it's called die. So here we have two substrates attached to the parent sheet. So that's why it's called 2,4 dimethyl. Right there. So This is substituent, and this is what the parent what chain, are you there? Or the parent name. So now let's combine them together. This one will come first before this one. Yes, so it's going to be 2,4-dimethyl X 3 what in this is what is name. So what is the right option here? The right option is, the correct option is what? 2,4-dimethyl X 3 in. So option C is what is right one. So when naming organic compound, you need to what take time and what study each of the different rules here. And I've done a complete video on nomenclature of the alkene. I will leave the link and the description below so that you can watch that video and what follow each of the steps where I explain all the steps when it comes to what nomenclature of the alkene. Do that. If this video is helpful, please give it a like, share with your friends, and comment at the comment section. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Do that.